Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Windows notifications on HP laptop. And to do this we'll need to click on Start and move to the settings. Inside, select System on the left and Notifications on the right. Here you can find notifications and you can enable or disable them. You can also manually change which apps can send you notifications right here. And also we can click on this arrow pointing down next to notifications to manage individual settings like allow notification to play sounds, show notifications on the lock screen, and show reminders and incoming VoIP calls on the lock screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.